we see five stages of statistics. So what is that five stages of statistics? First stage is collection of data, second one is organization of data, third one is presentation of data, and fourth one is analysis of data, fifth one is interpretation of data. Okay, we see the first stage, collection of data. Collection of data means what? We are collecting the data and we are gathering the information from the outside. There may be many sources. We can go for any method when we collecting the data. So what we are doing, we are going for the census method, and we are going for the sampling method, and we are going for the primary and the secondary. So as we all know that census method means once in 10 years the government is collecting the population data. So that method is called as a census method. Okay, what is the second thing? Sampling. So throughout the country only we are calculating the population's record. So in the case of sampling, when the person is not able to go through whole the country, we can select the particular area, the particular group alone, they will be collecting the data. That is called as a sampling. Another example is when we go for the grocery shop, when we want to buy a rice, so what we will be doing, we will be getting a sample of rices. So that is called as a sampling. Okay, what is the next one? Primary data. Primary in the sense it is called as a first hand information. We are collecting the data directly from the public, so it is called as a first hand information. Okay, last one is secondary. What is secondary? Already it has been collected, it is in the published form, and it is stored in the library. From the magazine, from the journal, from the newspaper, from the website, you will be collecting everything. That is called as a secondary data. Okay, fine. The collection of data is over. Next stage is organization of data. So what is organizing? We have collected everything. Randomly we have collected. So now we have to segregate it. We have to organize it. Whatever the necessary items, that alone will be taken. That is unnecessary items will be deleted. So that's what we are organizing one by one. We are having the raw data. That raw data has to be segregated properly. Then only it will be easy to understand for the lay people. Who's called a lay people? The unknown person. The third person should know what is that. So that should be convenient. So we are organizing it. Okay, what is the third stage? Presentation of data. We are presenting the data. So first stage is collection. We have collection is over. So after collecting we are organizing. Okay, fine. Now we have to present it. In what form we can present it? We can go with the three things. One is called as a tabulation. Another one is a diagrammatic. Another one is a graphical form. What is a tabulation? The tabulation is consists of rows and column. Okay, we are the collected data are put it in the rows and the column. Another thing is what? We can present it in the diagrammatic form. It can be in a bar diagram or it can be in a pie diagram. Another way is we can present it in a graphical form. So the lay people can also understand by seeing the diagram and the graph. So we are presenting the data. While we are presenting, they can capturing the matter easily. Okay, fourth stage is analysis of data. What is analysis? Analyzing everything. The past three stages over. What now we are doing is we are converting everything into the information for the decision making. So the collection is over, organization is over, presentation is over. Now we have to go with the analysis. What we have to analyze? So we have to go for a decision making. We have collected it. I am going for this purpose only. So we are deciding it for what purpose. So that is called as a analyzing. Data is collected and analyzed and answer to the question and test the hypothesis or the theories. What is called testing of hypothesis? The hypothesis means it is a tentative statement. That statement has to be proved. By testing the hypothesis, we are proving that the result is what the result comes. That is called as analyzing. Okay, fine. That is the last step, interpretation of data. So this is the final stage. This is the important stage. What is that interpretation? It gives a sum up. what are all the things we have done previously, it gives the conclusion. What is that conclusions? We have to interpret it. In the third stage, we have seen that presentation. So we are seeing the presentations in the three form, one in the tabulation form, one in the graphical form, another one in the diagrammatic form. So everything will be displayed. So the person should know what is displayed in the tabulation, what is displayed in the diagram, what is displayed in the graph. So we have to explain everything. The tabulations is giving the information. This tabulations, this diagram is giving the explanation. This graph is giving this information. So we are explaining everything is called as a interpretation of data. So the interpretation is very essential. It gives the conclusions of all the previous stages. So that's we wind up with the collections of data. We see in the next class.